starting things off with a small stock called Xtia Aerospace, making big waves when it was announced the closing of its best efforts offering of 1,454,546 shares of common stock at $13.75 per share on a post-1 for 250 reverse stock split basis. The gross proceeds from the offering were approximately $20 million before deducting fees and expenses. The company plans to use the net proceeds for working capital and general corporate purposes. ThinkEquity acted as the sole placement agent for this offering, and the securities were offered and sold pursuant to a shelf registration statement on Form S-3 filed with the SEC. If you haven't heard about XTI Aerospace, don't worry, most people haven't. But since there's growing interest about it, the next video will cover it in greater detail. Meanwhile, New York's Department of Environmental Conservation has renewed permits for Waste Connections' Dunn Mine and C&D debris landfill in Rensselaer until December 22, 2027. The permits include conditions such as reducing truck traffic from 100 to 70 round trips per day, plus 10 trips from zero-emission vehicles, operating hour reductions, a $150,000 deposit into a disadvantaged community benefit fund, and a study on constructing a vegetative barrier. Waste Connections is also facing legal efforts for the expansion of its Seneca Meadows landfill, which could be forced to shut down by December 31st due to a local law passed in 2016. Then, Serv Robotics announced it's entered into securities purchase agreements with certain institutional investors for the purchase and sale of 4,210,525 shares of common stock, resulting in gross proceeds of approximately $80 million. The net proceeds from the offering will be used for general corporate purposes, including working capital. Northland Capital Markets is acting as the exclusive placement agent for the transaction. For more on Serv Robotics and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.